Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today we have partnered with Nadula Hair and we're doing another ready to go 5-10 minute install, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-customized, pre-cut. I didn't even have to cut the lace, y'all. I did not have to use scissors or anything. Look at the hairline. Let's get into it, right? I'm gonna show you guys a few ways you can play with this. It is a closure. It is not ear to ear. You just have this right here, but you still have a lot of parting space. So I'm gonna show you a few ways that I played around with the wig to see how I liked it best. I end up going with this wet behind the ear front look, whatever we have going on. But this is date night and I FaceTime my man and he was like, girl, you look good. I'm on my way. I'm like, thanks, boo. So this wig, definitely 10 out of 10. Okay, so if you guys like to see how we achieved this look and a little bit more about the unboxing and how easy it was to actually put on, I'm gonna stop saying install because I didn't install it. I just put it on my head. So if you like to see how I put it on my head and how it came straight out the box, then just keep watching. So as y'all can see, I got my turban on. We're about to get into this install. Thank you again, Nadula, for sponsoring today's video. So when you get your wig, ladies and gentlemen, it will come in this. And I think it's so cute. A little storage bag. And then you'll have this box here. Don't quit, don't stop, don't give up. Just keep it moving. Okay, I like that. So this is what our wig comes in. You have the standard goodies, the edge wrap. You have our next bag of goodies here, which is a makeup brush, another edge wrap, the little cheetah leopard print, and then the HD wig caps, with which these are way better than the regular ones. I don't know if you guys have been noticing the difference, but these are super thin and help the wig melt so seamlessly. If you can see in the picture right here, if you are into bald cap methods, this literally leaves you a seamless blend because they're so thin. The reason why the regular wig caps are not as popular anymore is because they're so thick that you really have to take a lot to melt the wig into the cap, into your skin. But this is just a super thin layer, but it will also protect your edges. Now these are better for bald cap methods. If you're not doing the bald cap method, you can still use this, but these are really designed for the bald cap method. Just to show you guys how thin it is, look at that. Look how thin that is. When you put your foundation over it, so thin. Put it on just like this. Now this is a Brazilian unit. I'll have all the specs down below. Comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. The part's already in it. Look at this. Look how small the knots are. Baby hair is literally already even put in the wig. The lace is cut. I don't even need scissors for this unit unless it's like, you know, an extra flyaway or something. But look at this. Look, okay? Plucked to perfection. And I'm glad that it's a middle part bust down because I think that's how I want to wear it. If I want to switch it, I can. But you can even see the tint. I already bleached the knots and everything, y'all. I'm so excited. I have been absolutely loving these quick wigs that I can just throw on super easy. So let's take this out the package and get into it. It's like a natural brown color, which I wasn't expecting, but I absolutely love it. I thought it was black, but it's like a natural brown. And then we have the adjustable strap with the grip on there, and this is gonna help it grip to your head. These little wavy things that you see here to make sure that it's a snug fit and, like I said, glueless. A lot of times people call wigs glueless, but there's no way to make it actually snug to make sure that it's not gonna come off. So we're gonna tighten this and then go ahead and install. I say install, we don't have to install, we're just putting her on. And then they even have that on the ends too. So this material right here is going to adhere to your head. Like it's kind of like a grip, you know what I'm saying, to kind of make sure it's snug. And we also have the combs on the inside. So if you're still uncomfortable, you can adjust it with the comb, okay? Go ahead and put her on fresh out the box. No customization. Look at that. Bleached, okay? Thank you so much, Nadula, because I'm tired of doing the work, okay? Let's go ahead and put her on. As of now, she is so snug. Are you serious? Oh my God. Okay, so I am going to Look at this. Look at the melt, y'all. I don't know if I want to wear it in the middle part or what. But as y'all can see, she melted right into my skin. So let's go ahead and comb. Because I think I want to wear her with some volume. And then I will wet one side so y'all can see what she looks like combed out and what she looks like wet. I like it like this. I like it like that. And y'all, look how full she is. I like it like this. I don't want to do nothing else to it. Should I wet it? Do y'all want to see it wet? Okay, I'm gonna wet one side and then I will come back. I really like it poofy though, because that's giving to me. Like, I want my real hair to be this big, even though it's absolutely not. But yeah, let's get a picture and then I'll show you guys. We're gonna wet this side and compare a wet side to a dry side. Okay, before I wet this, I just want y'all to see this hairline. I have not put makeup on this. I have not put spray. I have not put anything on this. And the parting goes all the way back here. Are y'all looking at this? Like, keep it a stack. All right, so I'm taking this water bottle right here that I got off Amazon, and then I've got this Tresemme Rich Moisture Hyaluronic Plex 7 times moisture conditioner. So first, I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Let's do this side. A little bit of our, there we go. A little bit of our conditioner, like that much. And run it through our hair. Okay, so we've gotten one side wet and it is so pretty. I got a little bit of conditioner in there. I didn't wet it all the way, but as you can see, super pretty curl pattern, super soft. It's pretty much just a flat version of this side. This side's poofy, this side is like flat. So I'm gonna wet both sides and I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and wet the other side. Okay, now both sides are wet and tamed. Super pretty, super cute, super full. I think I'm gonna also try a claw clip just to see what it looks like, because I know a lot of people are afraid to do like claw clip styles with closures, but I feel like this parting space is so wide and the hairline looks so amazing that I think it actually would look really cute. I'm gonna try this gold one right here because it kind of goes with my outfit. So we're just gonna spray the top, brush her down. Oh my God, this hairline, it's just everything. She is all that in a bag of chips, okay? So I just turned it to the side because I wanted it to be a side part. That is so freaking cute. Y'all, that is so cute. So this is the style I think I'm going with. Just simple middle part, one behind the ear, and then one going in front of the shoulder like this. Super cute, super soft, no smell, no work had to be done. I showed you guys 3 easy styles that you can do with this wig, this being 1, the poofy natural look being 2, and then the claw clip being 3. I showed you guys a few at least. Some of y'all may not be going for the claw clip, but I thought it was freaking amazing, okay? But this is so cute. And then my favorite thing about this wig that I think is like #1 important thing about this, I took no work out of my evening. I'm getting ready for date night right now, and I don't have time to be doing a whole bunch of like customizing and things of that nature. Whenever I get home from date night, whenever we get done being grown, I can take it off. And that's, to me, like, that's just as valuable as anything else about this wig. I mean, from the hairline down to the curl pattern, I mean, come on now, this hair is just absolutely beautiful. I will have the specs for this unit down below if you guys are interested. Thank you again so much Nadula for sponsoring this video and sending me over this beautiful unit. Like I said, if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out the description box below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this. I look good, bitch. I look good, bitch. I look